Hi, hello friends, Swarab here, and today I'm going to talk something about a very new subject, ISCA, Information Systems Control and Audit. Now, this subject has been taken by Chartered Accountant students, as you all are watching me, but I'm not a Chartered Accountant, but yes, definitely I understand the subject. I understand what is information system, and I'm going to talk on the same. So let us see what is the subject about. Why study ISCA? That means, what is the reason that we need to study this subject? Definitely a part of that, you will pass your examination, you will pass your one of the subject in your final CA exam. This subject will give you endless knowledge about information technology, how the information technology is used, how information technology is prevailed. Now, after learning this subject, what are the future aspects? Definitely that after learning this subject, I have heard that Chartered Accountants definitely go for information system audit. So you can go for that. You can be a CISA, a certified information security auditor, wherein you can have an extra certification from ISACA, and then you can do internal audits of the company's system or computer system. Now, to go ahead with computer system, I would like to tell you what is information system, because the subject itself says that it is information system control and audit. Now, what is an information system? An information system is an entire organized system which is a collection, storage, communication of information, where your information is collected, stored, communicates, and much more happens. Now, how all these things happen? It happens with the help of machine, and there are several components of this information system. So let us know these components. According to my personal study, I would say there are 5 different components of information system. Now, these 5 components are, first one is the man, human, we. We are the part of information system. The entire information system, we are the one who are the creators, we are the one who are the participants. Then comes machine, which is created by humans. It consists of the software and the hardware. Software, you must be knowing well, and there are two different types of softwares. One is your machine's actual operating system. That is your primary software or an operating system. On this operating system, you have a couple of application softwares, those softwares which run over an operating system. Then we have hardware, the entire software, it runs over the hardware of a machine. We will do a detailed study on this later. Then another very important component of information system is data and information. Now, data and information, these both the things are two different entities. I will call that both the entities are totally different. They are not just the same. You just cannot say data and information is the same. Reason: data is a complete collection of everything. Everything means symbols and numbers. So, but the information is not the same. Information is retrieved from the data. Data could be a lot of junk. There could be a lot many things inside data. For example, if I give you an example, when you are searching something on a search engine like Google, you are trying to search your personalized search over Google, and the Google searches it and gives you a lot of data regarding a particular topic which you are looking for. In that, whatever you choose to accept, or which gives you information, or which is informative to you, is information. Then the another component, most important, is technology. Now what is this technology? Technology, it is an application of scientific knowledge, practically and theoretically in fact, but more it is practically. When we talk about technology in our system, it is more practical. So technology is an application of the complete scientific knowledge practically. Then the final process, the fifth component, and the very, very important component. The process, it comprises of different sets of instructions which are running one after another. These can be described as a couple of steps which are going to work one after another. A process for a company is very important, and not even a company. I would say process is much important everywhere. Moving ahead, we already saw 5 different components of our information system. Now, since the complete information system revolves around or is functionable with the help of one most important and a beautiful machine which is known as a computer. Let us understand what is a computer. As the name suggests, computer, it seems like there has to be some big machine which is doing lot of activities together, because that is what we have been known till now. It is an electronic device which takes an input, processes it, gives back an output. But the actual meaning of computer is not that deep. It's very simple. A machine, or I would rather say anything which can compute. If I can compute 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, then I am a computer. So is my machine doing. If my machine can compute, if my machine can simply say that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, then that's a computer. This computer or this machine, it is made using a software and a hardware. There are two parts. A software which is loaded over a machine, over a hardware which you can touch, you can feel, and a software which you cannot touch, but you can see, you can experience. This machine also consists of a couple of inputs and output devices. These inputs and output devices could be your keyboard, your mouse, your monitor screen, wherein you can give input via keyboard and see an output over a screen. Quite simple. That is all about computer, very simple definition. Now let us know, we are staying in a very advanced world where we are always connected, we are always online, and we want to be, and this is possible with the help of another very important entity which is known as internet, or I would rather say inter-network connections. The internet, it is a very simple term which explains that there is an inter-network connection So let us understand first when it is an inter-network connection and what is a network. A network is something wherein two different machines are connected. Two or more machines, when they are connected, it just forms a network. When we talk about machine, we talk about a computer. When two or more computing machines, when they are connected with the help of certain peripheral devices or wires or wireless devices, there forms a network. And in this network, when there is interconnectivity, it forms an internet or inter-network connection. Now, if there is an inter-network connection, there has to be intra-network connection also. We know the meaning when it is inter-network, that means there is a network between two different networks, and these two different networks could be two different autonomous networks. Two different autonomous networks. Now, what is an autonomous network? An autonomous network is a self-contained collection of network under one single administration. That means, let me give you an example. For example, in a college building, a network which is developed by a college for their own personal use. This network is accessible, managed and maintained by the college itself, or an institute, I would rather say. Then the entire network of the building becomes one single autonomous network because it is under one single administration or one single internet protocol. If we talk technically, it is always said that a network which is under a single IP admin protocol. So that's an autonomous system. Whenever in this autonomous system, when there is inside, there is some connectivity, there is a connectivity which is there inside an autonomous system, it is known as intra-network connection or intranet. And when the two or more autonomous systems are getting connected, that is inter-network connections. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this. We'll soon come up with in detailed explanation of the subject with more topics. Till then, stay tuned.